She didn't sound like that. Didn't. Literally, so rumalana, chief.
Fuizijazam Sake ba yigalo How please abona Fuizijazam
Yo, Raymond, what's up? Prince, I see you. Yo, Raymond and Prince, I see you on YouTube that side. Guys, we're also live on YouTube. If you want to go watch the full screen, we're like aqua. Ola Khurtman visual, din sama later. Salon kimezo on live hour ban 50M on Euro Truck. Oh, that's nice. That's dope. That's dope. I could get man. I could get. Long time. What's up? What's up? I'm trying to. Long time. Where's my apartment, Kante? Where's my apartment at? Oh, this is my apartment. Cool. Unto like I ain't get little but oh, I died. Hi bo. Unto get little family and friends. Or a killing clue. Hey, get a killing clue. No, like I when I go to no see you. Get a killing clue like that. Get a killing clue like that. 2 trucks and 1 driver. Oh, that's dope. 38 mil. Mo Euro truck. Yeah. Chaka kiki. Yebane. I want to live my life. Like a cruiser. Little I born a ground no sempeki swile hats here. Okay, meze medic. Toto mwana medic. What's that go real? Okay, medic I think. Kya swa. You gotta get no. Why you talk you? La yutlo. Okay, I say. Can no tulamba tula mutla medic I think. We can bet. We can bet. La ugaro ala muto tulang. Looking, I don't remember looking. There's a truck ring is takile somewhere to Samuduma. I think that's the medic guy. More I think. Can you guys hear it? What, he got stuck or something? Anka duela mediki basa, Jutlabana. This game played me, dog. I paid for medic, he never showed up. I paid for medic, but the medic never showed up. What? Because I'm already losing money. But the medic is already on the way. On the way, what happens when you die? You just die here on the floor. When I press E to force medic, I get in the house. Like when I'm at tatami. When I press E, I get in the house. Calling me request for assistance. Nana can I drama all the time. You need real people online. Yeah, ne? Okay, ask him mono. I wanna go ask the police if they managed to catch him. Elor medic you never know. Otra guy. Can I wanna fly in and fly back in? I would have lost money. I forgot I died. So I agree. When I fly in, I said, okay, let me fly in by the house so that it's cheaper for me to remove the cars. Okay, the police are looking for you. Me? 15 minutes. Hi. Guys, I did medic. I called medic. How the medic is already on the way. Mapodisi na actually to mapodisi mabane. Ngwana ka ola. I should fly out and fly back in, eh? Dreamelang Dinsang. Rita, what's up? I should fly back and fly back in. Yeah, restart the game. Okay. Take a nap and fly back in at pillbox. Cool, let me try fly out. But that's the battery my diak. But Zago and about here. Junior Astro Speed is coming to Botswana. Yeah, I saw the. No, I was outside, but I was not indoors. Anyway, camera quality is elite. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Hectic. But Zago and Abai Sokil. Dumalang. Liting. La Pila.
It's that plug talk. Straight out the fucking mud talk. Can't spit it if you ain't out the slums talk.
Kapela libaso zitin kanjan izinja zam makhelwane waflop ubiza boba kwizinja zam asidali ngestock awubiza bona kwizinja zam sakhe bayekalo awubiza bona kwizinja zam
I can't wait to return to PR in January. Cool. Like that. Can you join a jam more life in SA? You have to get GTA 5 Legacy and download 5M. Ish, I can't help but love Hakero. Yeah, Chief. I go wicked. Our boss didn't say. Later, I go wicked, the Chief. Okay, I wicked. Hello, relax. It's like well, I legion there. Zaga yone ba itsere. Kana le ntsheditse ga bedi malaita ka laitse bana ke o thula dilo wa hela mpolele le nne wa hela mpolele ba re batla go ira zag ka batla go ira go di postera Merry Christmas le wena fela jalo jalo ka dira zaga di postera. So I wanna go to the store and change. Kuira dog. I died wiki medic paying. This medic did not come, but they charged me. And then I had to fly back and in, and they charged me again. So they charged me 2 times to medic in this flipping game. Get that refund done. Are you from SA? No, I'm from Botswana, bro. Don't worry, I'll talk to them about it. Hey, let's always on side you an agenda-based violence. Who really going? I'm a guys. This is gonna like criminal record. I'm a pale. Yo, ish. I should have cash for me to change my outfit. I think, are you pulling up to the Q&A of Life in SA in 10 minutes? Where? What, is it a live or what? What's happening? What's happening? Ira like I want mo gaming kana mo Discord kana wana live ke level. Who can I? Hey, what I get from Muslim? Tlotlo is with PD at TT. Hey, I'm lending. Should I go to TT as a farmer? When are you playing other games? The time will come. Should I go to TT as a farmer? Pankanya woko. Can I get some as a businessman? Also, what car should I take? What do you guys want me to take? What car should I take? Sweetie's okay, okay. What car should I take? Cruiser. I'd rather cruiser, malita. I forgot your cars. Can I lay CCC RS? Can I lay Golf 8 GTI? Can I lay Golf 1? Can I lay Velocity? Can I lay Land Cruiser? I give you the 7.5 R King, so how it's. When I give it. Why? Where were you yesterday? I missed watching your streams. Hey, my bad. Plan ya waki in Braya. Koraya neman. You have petrol. Can I not cancel? I was not supposed to say bring. I was supposed to say garage. Bro, pick it. Yo, okay, my position. Yeah. Officer.
Hey, how's it, man?
Sharp. It's BK.
Oh, PK, how are you?
I'm fine.
Yeah, I'm also fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, I heard that the total matter has been resolved now.
For real.
Yeah, Mapena arrested him yesterday.
Yes, I wanted to be there when he was arrested.
Yes, because I was not in the seat. I just saw the report. So you guys have sorted it also?
No, I haven't met him. Hey, that guy, you are breaking my car, Clemona. Hi, look at the. Hey.
No, Mara, you called it while you are there. So you must be on the street.
Aish.
Go
Hey,
and take it.
let me go and attend it first.
Okay,
Aish.
sharp.
Hologa. Do you know who's in city?
Who's in seat, you mean people?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can check them using F1. Or you can press T and scroll down. You see them?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. You can see them there.
Oh, okay, no, sure.
Okay, sharp, no problem.
Yeah, I see you around.
Over.
Dira ka meet. Ke batla go dira ka meet. Ke batla go ya ko TT pele da. Can I go TT? Ka tla check out things so that ba ke wa reka reptile. Mr. Billionaire, delight tseo di kae? No, go ne ke dira koloi ya meeting ha se ba tsenye di 4 hela se ba tsenye tse di light tse di hodima se ba tsenye At this tula poko. I could just listen bit. I wanted to make it really look very dangerous. So now I met this stock with the China. Now I do go da o tla mpela ke tlo go ditseng.
Okay, sorry, man.
Yo,
Yo, meneer,
what's up?
good is this?
It's BK.
Hop in, Lopez, hop in.
I can't, you logged.
Hop. Oh,
Wena. Wena.
Super kamnano wao wena.
Hey, la wena.
Skatlong super kamnano wao.
Hona
I was in
maitseo wena.
problems because of you. Because of you. Because of you.
But I'm building an empire. I'm gonna torture you the whole time you are here.
It's fine. Carry on. My right won't last. Soon it will be you, I promise.
I can't be scared with someone who's wearing a socks on his head.
Okay, it's fine. See, this is not a socks. Look at it. It's a Nike. Look at you. What are you wearing?
It's a socks, bruh.
Oh. Hey, well, now I can try also access it.
This is a nice 7.5. But 7.5 or is just Golf 7.
Look at, you know what?
We should make a young meetup. I'm live on
DK.
What's up?
Nah, boys, in go outside Lopez and call it with the what's this valet? Because it doesn't matter. I don't know what's happening.
Yeah. How are you, BK?
I'm nice. And you?
Ngishapeka meter la.
I'm the golden
Long time.
Ngishapeka meter la, BK.
Yes.
You are working though. You get paid. You need to work yourself up.
Kitlo irang mara 10K.
Ninga go neela 10 meter, but nah.
Go 1 meter fail.
Eka khona.
Oh what?
You need to do something for me, bruh. I need a Raptor. Where can I buy a Raptor?
Auto trader, even.
Ish. I want another van, man. You.
Alis magara chelete, record the van 1 by 1.
I'm tired of this. Ish, I have 4 Golf 7s, so ish. I want something interesting.
Okay, now you're flexing because you have gold. Okay.
I'm not flexing, but I'm just telling you.
You're flexing. Are you?
What are you doing for after work?
What?
What are you doing? Oh, you're working the whole day.
Nah, I mean I hustle, Baba.
Hey, what are you hustling?
I'm coming. Let me fetch my car here at Impound.
Hey, let me go try get a Raptor first, and then you come work on it, Agar.
Yeah, it's fine.
You see, TT did my Land Cruiser there. TT did my Land Cruiser there the other time.
Right, it's good. Yeah, I go buy it.
Is there? You guys don't have other attachments, other stuff for that cruiser? I want to put lights on top there. Those kind of stuff. You guys don't have
so
them.
I can check for you. Put it inside. I'll tell you. Put it inside.
Okay, sure.
Yeah, let me fetch my car first.
Like that. How much do you have? I have 4.9 million. I forgive him, bruh. But hella, don't tula ka koloi. Hata na ile tronkong, so it's fine. Laitio Urlorke tronkong. He's the reason why I have a criminal record. So, guys, if you're watching this for the first time, please do follow so you don't miss out when I go live again. What did he do, this guy? This guy did a lot. He did a lot, bruh. I don't want to talk about it. Babolan. What's happening? Who are they robbing? Hey. What app do you use to stream like this? I'm using OBS.
Yeah,
Bruh.
no.
What is happening here now?
Well, this one Araka was fighting with the local.
Was fighting with the local.
Yeah.
Oh. What are you meetup again? Tago idea kana ke batla motho ka ntiralang koloi ya ka ya no.
Tung siapa kata mo natin mara PK.
Tse feng man.
PK.
Tse di monate tse feng.
Sa gahiwana. Relaga zaga ka offer what? There's no attachment on this car.
Ash.
There's no attachment in this car.
It's okay, let me go get the raptor. I'll be back.
Okay.
Sharp. How did they? Okay, sharp.
What are you saying?
No, it's fine.
You're
Wait, I'm
flexing.
confused what's happening in your stream with Tisha and Buku stream.
You're flexing, how?
What do you mean I'm flexing, bruh? I said I'm just
You're
coming back.
flexing.
I'm not flexing, bruh.
Let me go get my rep. That time you didn't buy it yet. I have 4 calls me.
I'm
bro, you're
gonna buy it cash, you see. I have the cash in me.
Give me my animals.
You have to work hard, bruh. You see,
Bye bye. Sharp. Fetch your rep.
sure. Give the boy money, bro. Nah, bro. I'm not giving that boy nothing. That boy made me go to jail, bro. I have a police record because of that little boy. Let's check the map. Auto trade. Aro chakara kolui mustokonda. Is Arostoko, yeah. We just game it later ke batle cruiser, right? Yeah, ka hitalla. It sounds fair. He should work. Banna golo mo V8. Hey, give V8 in naka. V8. Eish. Matatano. Ujur ki yiri le amata ke stage le tha ki hene ki nage chora engine natin tha is too powerful now. That's the problem. Buy it. Hey, what the no tell hey. Irregular cash here. It's hard to drive this car, Malitak. How many cars do you have and which one do you like the most? I think I have 7 cars. And I like the 7.5 and the Cruiser. I never used to like the Cruiser, but I got a Cruiser. The Raptor is still out of stock. It's still out of stock, Malitak. Are you live? Yeah, guys. I'm also live on YouTube if you wanna go watch the full screen. I'm live on YouTube as well. Let's try to look for another dealership. I see. How about the Audi? Hayoda, it's not here. Ke auto trade hela le Lexus auto hayo. Ha se ba itseng ba fana. I think I went to them. Yeah, I went to it in a stock or I'm a new follower and I think I enjoy your streams. Maybe I'll be inspired. I bet. Thank you, my guy. Thank you. I auto trade this in. Let's go to this one. Arago Komelada. Are. Notlolla koloi ntate. Eish. GTA 5 Legacy Roleplay. Go komela da. Ata ora ka koloi apere shooter ba go tse serious. I wanna stock one. I could buy this Aston Martin, but I'm not an Aston Martin guy. Easy name, I swear. Do you stream on this game only or sometimes? Yeah, I play Call of Duty sometimes. And FC. Yeah, no, yeke, I'm a solid fly machine. We regala no. Yeke shapoka ne. BMW X series shapoka. I got the BM got tanki. I could afford to buy this one as well, but alone, so I'm not gonna buy it. Oh, guys, can I look up? Forgot to tell you. I wish to be a streamer like you, bro. You can, man. You don't look. You don't. I didn't lock the. Yay! Buy the M5. I'll buy it. I didn't. I didn't. Can I steal these cars? I need to start calling people to see who's here. Yeah, I have the 325. I have the 320. I have the Kushesh. Yeah, 325. I have it. Raka Ford, I want to buy the Raptor, but Jaimos Toko is out of stock. But I wanna buy it.
The number you have dialed cannot be.
I want to see who's online.
The number you have dialed. 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 The number you have dialed.
Oui, bah, travaille, mute.
The number you have dialed. The number you have dialed. The number you have dialed. The number you have dialed.
Oh, you're rooting. I wanna make it white. Yo, Jerry. Drop it.
The number you have dialed cannot be.
Yo, Jerry one drop here.
The number you have dialed. The number you have dialed.
Danger eba mkubile da.
The number you have dialed.
Ke ga sang karabe a lentse go ntsenela message. Yo. Ninja. Yeah. Hey. Hello. Huh? Hey. Hello. Hey, ke malapeng. Ke malapeng. Ha ke utlwa le ma, ke malapeng. Hey, tla ke le re le phini da. Oh, una batla re kopana kae? Okay, chap. It's chat. Every time I'm trying to stream, bruh, my buddies are trying to come by. Danger na iradi uziri makata and chat. Danger ene nele matata motho. I don't wanna lie. Danger had to be removed from the game because he was a problem. Danger was a problem. Danger was a problem. I don't blame the game. I don't blame them suspending him. He was a problem. Kaboyen. Kopang kadime PS. Aura. Yo chat. The guy who does my car one checkada. So he might land anytime soon. When he does, I will have to step out for a bit. Otherwise, go TT. We do something. Otherwise, go TT down. Danger was doing heist. He was killing police. Danger I wish you guys would have experienced Danger with yo Danger Nele Manando wa life in SA. Nele Manando wa life in SA. Yay! Ta konsengitse koloi tla bana. Ao bana. Pine ya Manando kanerile. Danger way. Danger way. Yeah, I'm allowed to do heist. Or I don't know how to do heist, so I don't want to risk it. I'd rather do it with someone that knows it. So now I just follow. So I'm not confident enough to do a heist on my own. Locked. Where is this guy? Why is it locked? But I can see his car is inside there, but I don't know why is it locked. You see, he can't be given the name Danger for nothing. That guy was a problem, bruh. Ah, it's locked. A religion. Religion. I don't want to buy a BM, guys. Ish. I'm not saying a BM is not a nice car. It's just, for me, I want to buy a BM after I buy the Raptor. Intelligent no haka roka. I forgot where Legion is. I don't know what Ertladi said or Rira Yamalitak. If there's no one in the game. How long does the FC showcase last? Orayang. What thing? Where is Tlotlo? You can do a bank heist with him. Yeah, the reason why I wanted to go back. Why speed so much? But the car is tuned. It's not like I want to speed. It just speeds on its own. I wanted to go back to TT so I can tell Tlotlo for us to do some illegal stuff in there. You are destroying the street. Bruh, there's no one here. Chat, what can we do? I don't know how to do heist. What do you guys want me to do? Can I get pieces panigira, mate? Go TT, I wanna open. Go TT, I wanna open. Check out like you to talk. I don't have his number. Ah, kisinza matairi. You? Yeah, I know I can get arrested. Kisinza matairi ki. Eish. Lerata go ntshega lona bano it's. Mathaere a ntse a senyegile. I thought ha ke itsenya mo garage be ke ntsha mathaere a siama. Ah, bro, you're abusing the car. Ah. It fixed the car, but it can't fix the wheels. Why? $5,000. Every time I get inside tour history, I get to go. For 2016 showcase, I think it's free trial if I am not mistaken. Yo, Ola. Fix it. I don't know how to fix it. Guys, I don't know what to do anymore. Like, there are no people for me to mingle with in the game. I don't know what to do. I can't control this car, chief. But I have. But a plan. Kire naman. Ah, kuliye tabaga tata. Bereka heist. You have one of one, my boy. One of one. They don't make it anymore like this. Like you push us Spanish. Can do two lang gumrago, gemang. a re go ira Spanish sa di-poster da. Nna le polisi. I have to be hired as a cop. This is gore hire we pele gore nne. Hey, la koloi ke tla bana ha e tshwarege bana. This one is too fast, but I like it to betsa helana, chief. Bona mongwe ke o dikwa bao. I can't drive slower, bo. I can only, this is the slowest I can drive. But how hell I am mamutile. Man, give me a job. At the 8 posters when I'm back here, I know. I want to okay. Hey, Paddy, hire you more stoko. I have to do 8 posters. What a joke. Kulia na petrol agar. Okay, yeah, meeting, yeah. Kante o bala di chat at YouTube le TikTok. Yeah, I'm reading them at the same time. Bro, do a video with a steering wheel. Bro, you might get arrested. Arrested for what? I don't think the police are there. Bona hell, boom, boom. Ah. Kuliya ita bo sentle malaitag. Sell it. Sell what? You can never sell the 7.5R, my guy. No, I wanna go 5. Ask you legal. And because of discharge of firearm last time. Yes, I'm also on Twitch, but I'm not live on Twitch. I'm live on YouTube. Can you actually get paid of jamming this? Yeah, you can make a little money on YouTube. And TikTok as well. Porque we I can snake. Yeah, it's GTARP. Okay, Jason, I left him go TT. When I came back, he was not there. I mean the actual game. I don't think so. Yeah, I'm working. Yeah, so I'm working. So I get paid from working. Even what I'm doing now is work. So they're gonna pay me afterwards. Pay petrol is. This guy needs to chill, bruh. Me got a club, man. What's this? Bro, my life after metric did not work the way I hope. I think I'll start doing the stream. Okay, cool. No, you tried, my guy. Then you get extra recs like in Bula, PayPal type. Yeah. PayPal. What's going on here? This is a bar. Alright. Okay. Yeah, it's RP. Where's that poster? Yo, guys, I think I should go to. There's an RIP. There's a life aid about Tasha book. Let me go. That's dope. Actual money converted to actual. Hey, Bobo Tasha ban la life by drilling. So I think I should go listen. I need to be like a sportsman. Kyo adrenaline na involved. Kana yang. Kung mabahit sa batawela mo gaming, and then that's when we can jam. Because they're having a meeting here and then I'm streaming the game. I feel like it's a bit unfair in 2 minutes. Looking at the fact that I need to know these people so they help me learn the game properly. Go join. Hey, chat. I'm ending this live and this game. So that I can interact and also just learn a few things from. So I'll be live again just now. Let's join RP. So yeah, let me. So it's gonna be only on TikTok. Go YouTube. Come to TikTok. I'm gonna join a live that talks about this city and how it's played and what are the rules and what is expected and what can change, yada yada. So let's join for you. Cool. Let me leave here. Yeah, I think you guys can join to ask, because I got the Q&A, so I think you can join to come ask questions. What happened? I think my thing freezed. There we go. So let me end the live. Kita tsena mo yung wala wana. Yeah. Di kana ke mo live ke ntse ke